A while back, I made a video on this BISSELL Steam Shot Omni Reach, this handheld portable steamer, and I wanted to make a follow-up video because there is actually a recall involved with this unit. It's not part of the actual unit, but it is for all of the accessories. So if you have gray accessories, you're gonna wanna check the model number and sign up to get all new accessories, including the top right here. What can happen is these can unexpectedly slip off of the unit and cause burns, which is obviously not great. So to find out if you are part of, or if your model is part of this recall, you look on the bottom and you can see the model number right there. This recall includes model number 4155, 4171, 4155L, 4155W, 4171L, which is this one right here. But it does not include the actual recall of the units from 2024. Check your model number, and basically what I did, I'll leave a link in the description over to that recall website, and you just throw your accessories away and you take a picture of them in the trash and they send you all new stuff. So if you have the extension hose like this, if you have any of these brushes or anything like that, they're gonna send you all new stuff. The old ones were gray, again, like I said, and they give you one of these, and they even give you a brand new cup. So I just wanted to make this video, especially if you got this unit because of watching my video, and make sure that you get the replacement accessories. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.